Hi, welcome to the video. This video will show the complete walkthrough of the Zoho CRM Magic Lookup Extension for Google Sheets. This extension lets you easily update the Zoho CRM fields based on the Google Sheet data. Now let's see how the extension works. First, install the extension from Zoho Marketplace. Follow the on-screen instructions for a seamless installation process. Once the installation is complete, access the extension by navigating the menu bar and selecting Google Sheets Lookup. The integration window will be displayed. Here, click on the Connect button corresponding to the Google Sheet. Choose your desired Google account. Click on Allow to allow the VLOOKUP to access your Google account. Once connected, click on the Authorize button corresponding to the Zoho CRM. Then click on Accept. The home page of the Magic Lookup extension for Google Sheets will be displayed. First, configure the settings to update the CRM fields based on Google Sheets. For that, navigate to the New Configuration tab. Enter the desired workflow name. Then select the Zoho CRM module from the drop-down. Here I choose the Invoice module. Next, select the CRM field for lookup that is based on which you need to update the record. I choose Billing State. Then select the desired CRM field that needs to be updated. I need to update the discount field. In the Select Google Sheet field, all the Google Sheets of your connected Google account will be listed. Select your desired Google spreadsheet from which you need to fetch the field to be updated and the rows of the desired field. Also, here select your desired Google Sheet. Now choose the Sheet field for lookup. Here you can select the field header of Google Sheets, based on which you need to update it in the Zoho CRM. For example, the header field is related to the CRM lookup field. I select Billing State as my CRM lookup field. On my selected Google Sheet, it will fetch the desired row with the header titled Billing State. In the Sheet field to update, select the Google Sheet field that you want to update in the Zoho CRM. Here I select discount in percentage. Once done with the configuration, click on Submit. Let's check out how the extension works. For that, I am creating a new invoice. Here you can see there is no discount applied for this product. Once the invoice is created, the workflow triggers and updates the discount field of the Zoho CRM. That is, it will fetch the desired row with the field header state and update the discount field with the corresponding billing state. To check the updated field status, navigate to the Audit section. It shows all the success and failure statuses of the updated records in detail. This is all you need to know about the Zoho CRM Magic Lookup extension for Google Sheets. Hope this video will be helpful. Thanks for watching.